guys, and welcome to my channel. And on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply this closure unit that I made recently. This is a 5x5, but it's giving me a little bit more than normal as far as how big it is. But yes, it's a 5x5. I like to sometimes leave my edges out on the side for when I push my hair back behind my ear. You see more of like my real hair. I just try to make my wigs look as natural as possible. You guys know, if you have been watching any of my other wig videos, I don't do baby hair or anything like that. So these videos are for people who can relate to what and how I apply my wigs and maybe how they want theirs. So I'm just fitting it on. I did curl it the day before. This is a 20-inch wig. I normally never go longer than like a 24 at the longest. So I'm just trying to place everything and see how it fits. And then I'm going to start off by cutting the sides. Right there, that's just like folded over lace, where like you can see that line right there. So I kind of cut that up, and then I start the zigzag just so that part can be as far back as possible so it's not seen or shown. And now I'm just doing a zigzag with my fabric shears. These shears are really sharp and small, and I just like how they cut. I also use pinking shears as well. So now that it's cut off, you guys can see it's a white cast. It's always a white cast, but we're going to take care of that. I normally, I'm just placing it again, but I normally add powder to my lace before I secure it down. It just lets me see if the lace is really going to be, like, I can really conceal the lace. So that's what I'm doing here, just adding what extra product I have on my brush to the lace. I don't add any more. I feel like that's where it gets like cakey and nasty, and I really don't like that. I'm going to be using Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I do feel like this in the summertime, it does, because I'm perspiring, I'm sweating just a little bit, it does lift, so it doesn't hold on me that well. But I did tell you guys on Instagram that I am going to try the even sprays. And today, later on today, my wig was fine, but I did see some areas that were coming up because I had to run errands this day. And I did spray some of the even spray, and I'm not going to lie, it literally holds like so good. Like, I will be using this more with my bow hold, and also I'm going to make a video probably with this same wig to see how it holds just by itself. I have all 3 small cans because I don't use a lot of product on my hair. My products last pretty long, so I got the smaller ones, the red, gold, and the black, and I sprayed some of the black on top, and it held so good, y'all. Like, I was like shocked. So I wasn't a fan of the Got To Be. I didn't compare the ingredients from the Got To Be to the Even, because sometimes a lot of these sprays, they have the same, you know, one brand is more popular, so they try to dupe it out and make another one. But I feel like it has to be something in here like for lace, because it held so good. But right here, I'm just using my bow hold. It's faithful. I love it. So yeah. Then I'm just gonna put on a long scarf, and just wrap it around, and let this get dry. I will say let it dry a little bit before you put a scarf on, so when you take your scarf off, it doesn't show up white. That's everyone's problem, is with no one wants like white product coming up. So I'm just gonna put my scarf on, then I'm gonna start to curl some of my hair. Like I told you guys, I did curl my hair last night, well, the night before this video, but I didn't put any spray in it. I'm not a real big product junkie. Like, I like for my hair to move. If the curls fall, they fall. Like, that's not really a big deal. But I did want to just add in this video how I curl my hair. And also these curling irons will be in the description below where you guys can pick these up. They're from Amazon. This is the biggest one. I think these are 2 inches, and I like them when I want big, like wavy, effortless curls. Not my beachy waves, but I do like these for like regular big curls when I don't want my curls to be too tight at all. So I use these. My daughter just came in doing something making me laugh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish curling up a few more pieces, and then I'll be back.
Piece, push a P. Cop no hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot of cup spot, never please. Drop the data, never plan. Inside the bees. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. I'm Capital P. I write the president, count presidents. Push P's on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave cause she keep a P. Privacy, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint.
So now you guys, I'm just finishing up this last curl. I think I'm gonna curl one more piece, but now I'm just going to take off the scarf. You guys can see no white, none of that. My method just works for me. YouTube is here for you guys to try everyone's method you want to see what best fits you. I'm just using the same brush, putting no extra product on the brush, and just trying to cover up the cast because of course the lace is lighter than I am. Then I'm gonna go in with my curling iron, just make sure my flyaways are down and things like that. But yeah, you guys, this method works for me. I love it. I don't like baby hairs. It's just not my thing. I hate trying to like comb them. Like, it's just not me. And if you're not a baby hair wearer, this method will work for you. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a great day.